integration of minus 2 to x square divided by 1 plus 5 to the power x dx. To solve this formula, we are going to use the integration property a to b fx dx, which is integration of a to b f a plus b minus x dx. So here we are going to use the same property to solve this problem. When we will solve this problem, we can see that the value of a is minus 2 and b is plus 2. So the entire a plus b minus x, we will get minus 2 plus 2 minus x, which is minus x. So when we will starting the question with this property, we must understand that a plus b minus x, we are getting minus x only. So I is equals to minus 2 to 2. In place of x, we are going to replace with minus x. So minus x whole square upon 1 plus 5 to the power minus x dx. I can be written as minus 2 to 2 minus x square would be x square upon 1 plus 5 to the power minus x dx. Here one more property we will use. If there is a given 5 to the power minus x, we can write 1 by 5 to the power x here. So when we will replace this 5 to the power minus x, we will have minus 2 to 2 x square dx upon 1 plus 1 by 5 to the power x. By taking LCM, we will have minus 2 to 2 x square dx upon 5 to the power x plus 1 by 5 to the power x. Now we have x square 5 to the power x plus 1 by 5 to the power x. So definitely this is going to get multiplied by numerator. So this is when we will multiply with numerator, we will get 5 to the power x into x square upon 1 plus 5 to the power x dx. Now we will observe that denominator of my question and denominator after simplification having same value. Sometimes it happens when the denominator we are getting the same value and we are going to add them, we are getting as a final result. So what we are going to do, we will add both the integral expression with each other. So I plus I, 2i is equals to minus 2 to 2 x square by 1 plus 5 to the power x dx plus the next integral. So minus 2 to 2 5 to the power x into x square by 1 plus 5 to the power x dx. When we are using the property, so 2x is equals to minus 2 to, using the property of integration, we get 2i is equals to minus 2 to 2 x square by 1 plus 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x into x square by 1 plus 5 to the power x and whole integration. Since denominator is equal, so we are going to take LCM and LCM will be same denominator. So 5 to the power x, this is x square plus 5 to the power x into x square dx. In numerator both the term x square is common, so we will take x square out. 1 plus 5 to the power x upon 1 plus 5 to the power x dx. These both will be cancelled out. So we have 2i is equals to minus 2 to 2 x square dx. Integration of x square we know, x cube by 3 minus 2 to 2. Now we will replace the maximum and minimum value. 2I is equals to, maximum value is 2 to the power 3 by 3 minus minimum value minus 2, so minus 2 to the power 3 by 3. Finally we will get 8 by 3 minus 8 by minus of 8 by 3. Further, if we will simplify, we will get 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3, which is 16 by 3, or the value of I, we can get it, I is equals to 16 by 3 into 2 or 8 by 3. So the final answer for this expression is 8 by 3.